What's up, Gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Beard. In today's video, we have a accessory video for you, but this isn't just any ordinary accessory. I think everybody who travels or is in the tech game absolutely needs something like this. It is a 240 watt max supercharging cable from MFish. This is the Armor Dragon, but it's a 4-in-1, which is a absolutely amazing thing. It's one cable to rule them all, basically. This is the packaging you're going to get. Very nice premium packaging. 240 watt max, it says there. There's a maximum output of 240 watts. It has an input port of USB-A and Type-C, output port of Apple Lightning and Type-C. So basically everything you need here for you to go ahead and carry on. The one good thing about this is that it comes in its carrying case as well. As you can see, MFish branding right there with some lime green, some neon green actually, accents at the zipper and the logo there. Let's go ahead and unzip this and see what else is inside. And this is a nice neon green, super thick cable. As you can see, is very thick. The ends, you do have some storage and cable management right there, but the ends are very thick and robust. It's a good thing. You're not going to lose this cable, but it is a very nice thick cable. I don't know if I can, let me see if I can grab another cable just so I can compare the difference in size. So here you have a lightning cable from Apple, and look how thick the difference is. Absolutely crazy how thick this is. But this cable has a unique feature where it has USB Type A with lightning, but if you don't want to use lightning, you can go ahead and pop that open and use USB Type A with USB Type C. Or if you need Type C to Type C, you have Type C to Type C, or Type C to lightning, you got Type C to lightning, or USB Type A to Type C, boom, vice versa. The combinations are endless, but this cable should cover every need you need out there. If you need an old lightning cable, if you need a Type C to Type C, if your charging brick just has a USB-A to, so everything you absolutely encounter out there while traveling or in your office or in the tech world, this thing should cover it. And not only that, it's going to do fast charging. Very nice, good cable. Let's see if we can I can show you the charging to this. I don't think I can reach, so I don't need lightning, so I'm going to go ahead and pop that aside and then plug in my Android phone, and voila, charging, fast charging. It says right there, fast charging. So it is capable of fast charging, like I mentioned, up to 240. Very good cable. It is very long. How many feet is this? I believe about 4 feet if I'm not mistaken, so because it's pretty long. It will be, if you have any questions regarding this cable, please leave them down in the comment section below. Link to this cable will be in the description of the video. If you want to go ahead and pick one up for yourself, you most definitely can. But this cable is amazing, very nice and sturdy cable, very big. And I like the fact that it's you're easily able to store this. So just go like that, place this bad boy like that, place it in this case, close the case, and be on your merry way. Boom. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.